Hi guys, welcome to another video, and I decided to try to take a little trip to somewhere I've never been before. Cranbrook Flower Forest. I've seen some pictures of it online and it looks extremely interesting, so I'm just going to check it out and see what it's about, right? So let's go. So to get to here off the North Coast Highway, you have to come into this dirt road. Very inconspicuous, and the road is terrible. Damn. Alright guys, I'm here in Cranbrook. Came up the terrible road, but I'm here on the property and it's already looking really good. I saw some peacocks running about the place, so I'll try to get some shots of that. Who are you trying to attract? Check this out guys. They have peacocks roaming the property and this guy is showing off here. Turn around, turn around. Whoa. Yeah. I guess he's not attracted to me. I mean, so far so good, right? Look at it. It has a very rustic feel. You know, it's not overdeveloped. It's got all the nice, colorful plants. Really cool. My mom would love it here. Alright, so we're going to do a nature hike. We have a guide. It should take about half an hour. Let's see how it goes. Check this out. Bamboo. Create an arch where we have to crawl under. Really nice so far. And the river is behind us there. You can hear it. You guys can hear it, right? You see a tree fell across the path. And we'll just cut here and cut there so we can continue. So we're walking along the river bank, but the river is deep down, like a good 30-foot drop. And walking along this trail, there is so much bamboo. Bamboo everywhere you look. Just walking along this trail. The guide is way up front, so he's just basically walking me along the river edge as we go up. Check it out. We hike up and look at the river behind us. A whole set of waterfalls. It's kind of rainy these days, so it's very powerful. Look at that. At that power, my goodness, so strong. And there is a bridge. I'm going to cross it. Check it out. Over the bridge. Under. Let's continue. So I'm at the head of the river. Take a look. There's a little trickle coming from there, but all that water is coming from underground. They have this pool, and then you see it flowing, and it goes down. Amazing. came up, we saw the riverhead where all this water is coming from underground. It is so powerful, it feels like it's vibrating the ground, all this water, big waterfalls, just amazing. The power of nature. And yeah, we're heading back down the road now. Alright, so I am back, came up the nature trail. It was pretty cool. The bandstand that you saw earlier with all the palm trees is behind here, and there is some nice stuff on property. I saw a pond with some lilies. I'm going to try to get some video of that for you guys. And right next to the gazebo that we saw, you walk behind it and there is this bridge. So you don't have to hike or anything to see this bridge. And the river passes underneath it, as you can see. Most of the river is a bit rough, as you guys saw. But there is a little path that you could take and head down, and it's a little calmer where you could go into the river. And they have a little area there where you can put on your clothes and head into the water. But there are people there, so here is the pond I was talking about. I'm out on a little jetty, as you can see, and it's the lilies all around me in this pond. Isn't it pretty? Look at it. How cool is that? Check that out. It's really nice inside here. That's it. I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna jump back in the car and head back out and try to get something to eat. I just saw this on Facebook and I came in, Cranbrook Flower Forest. You guys should check it out. You just have to prepare for the little bad road that we get in. But otherwise, it is fantastic. It's definitely worth the trip. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.